Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Pavitra Shetty. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all are safe. I hope my love and attachments that I have with you all reaches up to you, because that's what I needed right now. Today I'm gonna be sharing my few tips that not few, I have only two tips that can actually help you out to get rid of this period pad rashes. So if in case you're waiting for this, and if in case you wanted this, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give me a like, share this video with your friends if they need this, and also subscribe to my channel because I need it. So do a favor. Okay, the first thing that should hit your mind whenever you get this period pad rashes is coconut oil. We are actually underestimated it a lot, but people don't use it and they use any kind of a skin cream. But I would just say ki coconut oil is one of the best thing that you can actually use it during the rashes, any kind of rashes. Even if you're having any kind of a bleeding rashes, what is wrong with me right now, even if you're having a kind of a bleeding rashes, you can actually use them. It is so benefiting. Actually, coconut oil has certain elements in it which actually acts as a barrier between your skin and that particular waste disposal that happens, because of which you get those rashes. So it's a kind of a barrier. So whenever you feel that you're gonna get these kind of rashes, you can apply coconut oil before changing the pad, or whenever you want to apply it, you're comfortable, apply it as per your needs. It is one of the bestest thing, even for the wounds or kind of a rashes or kind of a panty rashes that you get it acts really good with it. You just have to apply it for a regular day for few days, and you will actually see the differences in your skin, and it doesn't give you any kind of a burning sensation. There's nothing painful or anything act with it. Acts has basically very good to your skin. तो मेरे लिए सबसे पहला is obviously a coconut oil, then I prefer this other cream. The second option that I want to kind of share with you guys is, I've already talked about this particular product a long time ago, and I even had interacted about this product with you guys in most of my videos, I guess. I'm talking about this particular Vico turmeric cream. If you don't know how it look like, this is somewhat like this. Now the one which I'm having is about 70 gram wala cream. Now this is really good. Now long time back I made a video, a kind of a review video on this particular product. I look really different in that, and the video is not that much clear, but I've explained it in a very good way. So if in case you want to have a look on it, and if you have to watch any kind of a review on this, the link would be there in the description box. You can check it out. So this really acts good, but you can't use it internal part of your private area. You can use this externally, like the other one, the coconut oil. You can use it internally, externally, anywhere, any part of your body. It's not gonna harm you. It is so freaking good. So for the first I mentioned coconut oil, and for the second I'm mentioning you is this Vico turmeric cream. Now what about this is that you can't put it internally, but externally yes, you can apply this. Like for example, I've used this for rashes that happens externally into my private areas, or a kind of a panty rashes also, which has this kind of a bleeding rashes. Now this I just want to say is that this particular cream is really good, and it is herbal cream, so you don't have to think. You can also apply it for wound and every kind of those stuff. Like it's an Ayurvedic medicines, but they have also mentioned it's only for an external use. I have applied a kind of a layer. How you have to apply, I've showed it in the review video, but still I'll show it to you. For example, you can just take a little bit of it and apply it onto your skin and just leave it like that. It's like a yellowish form. Just apply it and leave it like that. It would easily get absorbed, and just leave it for 5 to 3 minutes. It would easily get absorbed, and it doesn't give any burning sensation, not even a point percent, nothing. It doesn't give any burning sensation. So this is my second option, but only for the external use. Make sure you don't put anything internal. Other than in coconut oil, आप बिंदास कहीं पे भी लगा सकते हो. There is no look for it. Okay, but this one is only for the external. It's a little, for 70 gram I think it's for 215 rupees. So yeah, but it acts really good. Within a day you will find a difference. So yeah, so one is the coconut oil and second is the Wako turmeric cream. It's readily available in the market. You can go and get in touch with them. I mean to say, you can buy them easily. So yeah, these were my two of the tips for you. I hope this is benefiting. I've also made few videos, two more videos on period. One is a period kit, emergency kit, and one is kind of a period menstrual cups and period pads and tampons, explaining them how to use it and what kind of pad I use it, how I use it, what, when and how. The link for the both the period pads would be put in the description box. You can check them out. And if in case you like my videos and these informational videos, please be free enough to give me a like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more lifestyle videos, more tips and tricks that I do it. If you like it, please do subscribe. Bye.